they got thrown a curveball in the oil markets today, and I'm glad I'm just bought some of the stuff around. I think it was 95.75 on the WTI when it was that high, and so now it's close. It's over 99. It's probably going to go over 100. Some people are thinking. I don't know this for a fact, but they got thrown a curveball because the U.S. stockpiles slumped to a near 3-year low. And somehow, well, that's what people are going to go by. They're going to go by whatever statistics they're thrown at them. But I'm suspicious. I am. I mean, maybe that's crazy to think that, but I just can't figure why the stockpiles are lower. But whatever, they are. That's what they say they are. It says it was the biggest weekly inventory drawdown in nearly 11 years. So that's what made the oil go up. So I think if it hits 100 this week or around there, I'm probably going to dump some of it. Wait for a pullback, and because the next thing will be coming out is everybody being scared about whatever pressures are facing the European banks, and maybe it'll drop. And if it does, I'll go buy some back, you know. But I'm looking at these silver markets, and I like buying off of GainesvilleCoins.com. They always seem to have a good supply of coins. And I looked at all the 1-ounce coins. There's 101 results they give you, right? You go. There is some coins available at decent prices, but for the most part, they're not even showing you a delay. They're saying out of stock. I mean, flat out of stock. Notify me. They're not telling you there's a 15-day business day waiting period. On almost everything, it's out of stock. Canadian Maple Leafs, American Single Eagles, and that's, they got them. They got them in another type of form. But just looking down this, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. Here's a private mint that's in stock. Now here's another private mint that's out of stock. A lot of them are out of stock. This is a private mint that's in stock. I got some of these Buffaloes. I kind of like those, they're private mints. These are in stock, but there's quite a bit of a premium. And actually, I would be buying a Lakota silver for around this price rather than this because of possibly the trading value. But most of the coins that are available either are out of stock or there's a serious premium. So you're paying serious premiums on all these 1-ounce coins. $125 proof silver kangaroo, lunar year of the horse. 10 ounces for $868. That's running you. That's at a bank wire price. So that's over $80 an ounce. $145 for a coin here. These are special collectible coins, and I don't like getting those kind, to tell you the truth. They're too far over spot. They have some more here, but I've never seen Gainesville this much out of coins. Never. I never seen this bad. The Mexican Libertad, $40, $41. So these are coins that are pretty much well over spot. Out of stock again. Well over spot. Very much collectible coins. Now here you have American Silver Eagles, $32, $33. I'll probably get some more of those. Here's the Canadian Grizzlies, $36, $37, and the Canadian Timberwolves for $39, $40, depending on if you do a bank wire or credit card. But they're adding more premiums to them, obviously. It's a $10 premium over spot for this Timberwolf, and it wasn't that high. Premiums for Perth mints are going up. So I guess it's a matter of if they're hedging their positions, there's a certain time limit of how long they can hedge their positions. Here are the American Silver Eagles again, $33, $34. So it's silver's not really going down in price except more electronically than anything, and it's going to prove a point. So Philharmonicas are a very good deal, $31, $32. And since that's from a mint, I have a lot of these too. I mean, I don't see there any problem with them. They're from an actual real mint, so they're genuine silver. And I just got some of these, a few of them, Kogers, but they went up slightly too. So I've never really seen the Gainesville coin this far out of stock on so many different coins, but there is some stuff available. So I'm thinking about, depending on if the oil goes up a little bit more, I'm going to dump some of it and probably buy some more coins again. Probably the American Eagles, I would think, or maybe some more of these Cougars, or maybe just a little bit of each. Maybe that's what I might do. I got quite a bit of silver as it is, so I'm not really worried about getting too much more. And I want to mess around in the markets a little bit more, trying to guess in and out. But I'm kind of getting a better handle on what's going on, not paying attention to the experts. It's usually the best way to do. They try to fake you out a lot of times, and that looks like they throw you curveballs left and right. But there was a lot of bad sentiment about oil going down. So maybe it'll go up to the $100. If it gets near $100, I'm going to dump some, and maybe it'll go a little higher. And I'll just wait for it to drop off again, which I think it will, and I'll buy it back cheaper. And with those proceeds I came ahead on, I'm going to buy some silver. That's the game I'm going to play. So it's interesting now. They're running out of silver. I mean, as far as the end product goes, they are running out of silver. They do not have enough end product coins available to meet the demand when you're looking at that many particular coins that are out of stock. And there is coins available, and you got some choices here, but mainly they're really running out quite a bit. So I'd say that means to buy it, and that's pretty much a no-brainer. So just a matter of what people can afford, and I got to be careful too. I mean, I don't want to go too far much into silver right now. I'm a little nervous about that, and as it is, because I am pretty much heavily into physical silver, and I don't like being too much in one area. But when I see this out of stock, that tells me to buy.